Everyone wants quick fixes for weight loss. But let me tell you, weight loss that doesn't come back comes from a scientific design through precise nutrition. Not generic diet plans, not expensive powders, not fads, but through habits that are rooted in science and in routines that your body can actually sustain. Hi, I'm Anupama Menon, a nutritionist and food coach for the past 27 years, and today I will share with you 6 simple habits that I practice myself that can help you burn fat, stay energetic, and keep the weight off. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel for videos that combine science, tradition, and practical nutrition tips. Let's start with fasting. Now, I don't mean extreme intermittent fasting. I mean a simple 12-hour fasting window. Blanket rule, this works for everyone. Everyone must do this. But why does this work? Because when you stop eating after dinner and let your body rest for 12 hours, you are cleaning up and healing your system, getting prepared for work the next day. You are giving your gut a break. This helps you to regulate insulin, improves digestion, and this also supports fat metabolism. Women especially best not to fast for more than 12 to 14 hours because anything more than that could play havoc with your hormones. Anything more needs to be tested first before you imbibe it into your life. So if you finish dinner by 8:30 p.m., your first meal the next day should be at 8:30 a.m., maximum by 9. That's it. It's just simple discipline. Keep your routine simple and boring. Trust me, it makes healthy habits easier to follow. Eat 3 meals at the same time every day. Sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Do your workout at the same time every day. Your body loves consistency. The more variety and fads you throw at it, the more it struggles to adapt. That's why the healthiest people often eat very simple meals. Dal, rice, roti, sabzi, dahi, fruits, nuts. These foods digest well because your gut bacteria have been trained for them since childhood. Keeping your weekday meals boring means better adaptation, fewer cravings, better digestion, and more energy. 1 hour of movement daily. Our bodies are designed to move 1 hour a day. That's your minimum investment. And if you are just starting out, please do not go the whole hog and start weight training 4 to 5 times a week. Your body is not used to it. Slowly. Start with cardio, bring in the regularity, then move to weights maybe 2 times a week. Then you start experimenting with more. Let your body imbibe the change. Just like you cannot go from grade 1 to grade 6 in a week, you cannot make your body adapt to heavy exercise in a short period of time. NEAT. NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is your daily movement besides your exercise. It accounts for about 50% of your total calorie burn for the day. Walk while you talk on the phone, stand and watch a webinar, take the stairs instead of just taking the lift. The science, regular movement improves insulin sensitivity, burns stored fat, and strengthens your muscles. And hence, your metabolism stays high. Prioritize your sleep. Sleep is your body's repair mode. When you don't sleep enough, your hunger hormone ghrelin shoots up and your satiety hormone leptin imbalances. That means you crave more food, especially sugar. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep. Think of sleep as your silent fat burner. I couldn't stress any more on this point. Sleep is super important, super important. Lower stress equals lower cortisol. 95% of global obesity today is attributed to stress, and most of us don't even realize how it creeps up on us. High cortisol not only leads to fat storage around the belly, but also makes you crave for the worst food. High sugar, high fats, all your processed food. A little bit of deep breathing exercises, even 10 minutes a day to begin with, helps you to manage your stress. Just 10 minutes can heal your vagus nerve and also your gut. Simple practices like meditation, 4-7-8 breathing techniques, journaling, or even a short walk in nature or time spent with friends can help you to relieve the stress and support weight management. Reach out for help if you need it. I have one formula that always works. When you stress, just think of whether the source of stress will matter 10 years from now. If it will not, it does not matter. Calm yourself down with just this acceptance. Stick to home-cooked meals. Finally, this is what matters, and this is where it all comes together. Stick to whole, grained, home-cooked meals. Eat real, whole foods. Ultra-processed foods are addictive and leave residue that stresses your body. Home-cooked meals, on the other hand, are nutrient-dense, low on additives, and tailored to what suits your gut best, what digests best in your system. Start your morning the right way. What you start with in the morning absorbs the best. So start with a powerful concoction like a lemon amla shot or a spirulina moringa shot or a chlorella shot. All recipes are mentioned in the description. Make your health work for you with this small tweak. Please have your tea and coffee, but just have them later. The morning concoctions also make you crave less during the day. So there you have it all. Good health is an effort today, a practice tomorrow, and a lovely habit after. If you keep up the consistency, because that is what finally counts. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's been struggling with weight loss.